By the way, my name is Liu. Nice to meet you.
My name is Tom. Nice to meet you too.
What's your job, huh? Are you a secretary?
No, not. I'm not a secretary.
Are you a teacher?
Yes, I'm a teacher.
I see. You're a teacher. It's a very interesting job.
Yes, I really love my job. How about you? Are you a student?
No, I'm not. I'm not a student.
Are you a farmer?
No, I'm not. I'm not a farmer. I'm a baker.
Wow, you're a baker. It's a very interesting job too.
Thank you.
Last week, I went to recognize party too, and I met a lot of interesting people.
Really? Maybe you went to the same party last week. Tell me about the people you met.
The first one was man. His name is Tang.
Mr. Tang. Maybe I know him. Is he a doctor?
No, he isn't. He isn't a doctor. He's a pilot.
So his name is Tang and he's a pilot.
Yes, that's right.
I don't think I met him before. Who else?
The second one was a woman. Her name is Dung. Do you know her?
I'm not sure. Is she a nurse?
Yeah, she is. She's a nurse.
So her name is Dung and she's a nurse.
Yes, that's right.
I think I know her.
How about you? Tell me about the people you met.
The first one was a man. His name is Dung.
Mr. Dung. Maybe I know him. Is he a teacher?
No, he isn't. He isn't a teacher. He's a nurse.
So his name is Dung and he's a nurse.
Yes, that's right.
I don't think I've met him before. Who else?
The second one was a woman. Her name is Lian. Do you know her?
I'm not sure. Is she a banker?
Yes, she is. She's a banker.
So her name is Lian and she's a banker.
Yes, that's right.
I think I know her.
Oh, sorry. Oh no, my mother's calling me home.
Do you really have to go now?
I'm sorry. I love to stay, but I have to go now. She's waiting outside.
Never mind. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Me too. See you later.
See you later.